Good day, guys, and welcome. Today, we are giving an algebraic expression from JAMB 1986, where we are asked to factorize bracket open 4a plus 3 bracket close square minus bracket open 3a minus 2 bracket close square. Now, to proceed in solving this, we come down and write solution. We copy out our algebraic expression, bracket open 4a plus 3 square minus bracket open 3a minus 2 bracket close square. Before we solve for this, it is important to note that this algebraic expression follows the form known as difference of two square expression. Difference of two square expression are always like this. Whenever you have an algebraic expression that looks like this, x minus y raised to power 2. To solve an algebraic expression like this, you equal to bracket x minus y bracket close bracket open x plus y bracket close. Now, having this at the back of our mind, we proceed to apply this to the expression given. Hence, we have bracket open 4a plus 3 bracket close square minus bracket 3a minus 2 bracket close is equal to bracket open 4a plus 3 bracket close minus bracket open 3a minus 2 bracket close bracket close bracket open 4a plus 3 bracket close plus bracket open 3a minus 2 bracket close. Now come down and we multiply 3a minus 2 with the minus we have at the front of it in our first bracket. We have a bracket open 4a plus 3 minus times 3a. I'm going to have minus 3a minus times minus 2 give us plus 2 bracket close. Now we proceed to the other bracket where we have 4a plus 3 plus times 3a will give us plus 3 plus minus 2 will give us minus 2. We proceed further to collect like terms together in each bracket. Collect like terms together in each bracket. Hence we have 4a minus 3a. Our bracket will give us 4a minus 3a will give us a. Now plus 3 plus 2 give us plus 5. Bracket close. We open another bracket. 4a plus 3a will give us 1a. Plus 3 minus 2 will give us minus 1. Bracket close. Hence we have our answer as bracket open a plus 5 bracket close bracket open a 7a minus bracket close. Thank you.